Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're gonna talk about the new media player app in Windows 11. The new media player app in Windows 11 is available starting with the Windows Insider preview builds from the dev channel. So if you're on the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the dev channel, which is 22K499, you should be getting this soon. Or if you didn't receive it yet as an update through the Microsoft Store, you can check the article down below in the description, because there you'll have a guide on how to manually install the new media player app in Windows 11. Microsoft is slowly starting to roll out this app, so maybe some of you won't have it, but you can easily install it manually using the guide that will be in the article down below in the description. You may be wondering, what is the media player app in Windows 11? It is basically an app that will replace Groove Music. It is an app that you can use to play and categorize your music that is stored locally on your computer. So for example, just drag and drop a file here and let's play it. As you can see, we have a new menu. We have of course the Windows 11 styled menus with the rounded corners, which looks really good in my opinion. So I'm thinking that Microsoft has finally made a good media player for Windows 11, and maybe we can start using it instead of using other third-party apps. We have here a menu which has home, music library, video library. We can also play videos using this media player. You can also have a queue here in order to play it. You can save it as a playlist, or you can clear it, and of course you have all the playlists that you've created and a create a new playlist button that allows you to create a new playlist using media that is locally stored on your computer. In the home section, you have the option to open files, open a folder, or even to open a URL and stream media from that address. So for example, I'm just gonna paste in the link to a video from the TechBased channel, and if I click on open, it will start playing that video. It should start playing that video, but for now this feature isn't working because, as you can see here, media player is in the preview state. Basically this is the first version, but in my opinion it looks really good. And of course we have a settings button which has a few settings, some general settings, media library locations, video library locations, and also the app theme. As you can see, the app also has a dark theme because I'm using a dark theme on my computer, and it looks really good. And of course you can set it on dark or light, even if you are on the dark theme in Windows 11, doesn't matter. If we're looking at the player, we have of course the shuffle button, the skip button, the play and pause button, and of course we have the repeat button, the volume, the full screen option, and the mini player, which is a new addition in this app, which is really cool. Basically it's a mini player that you can have in the corner of your screen, use it to play videos and stuff like that, and you can easily restore the main screen by clicking on that button. Of course it doesn't have a whole bunch of functionalities right now because, as I've said, it is at the beginning, but for example, let's just play this song again and then click on this button. You will see that you have controls. Of course you can skip and pause or play that certain video or audio file. In my opinion, as a first version of the new media player app in Windows 11, the app is really cool, has a very nice design. Limited options for now, but I don't think we need more options. It looks good, it does the job, so I think it's gonna be a good app that you can use instead of using other apps, as I've said, to play your audio files in Windows 11. Unfortunately, right now the app doesn't have any integrations with music services. So for example, it doesn't have an integration with Spotify or SoundCloud or Apple Music. I'm not sure if Microsoft will try to integrate that in the future, but that remains to be seen. For now, as I've said, in my opinion, the app looks really good and is pretty useful. You can use it with no issues. And of course, it is a good addition that will replace the Groove Music app in Windows 11. As I've said, if you not received the app yet, in order to install it earlier, you just have to follow a few steps, and those steps will be listed down below at the end of the article from the description. Just go and check that article and you will see how to install this manually if it didn't install yet on your computer. So this was the video about the new media player app in Windows 11. I'm hoping you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.